Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox this soundbar from the company called Soundcore. It's a sub-brand of Anker and its model is Infini Pro. The special thing about this soundbar, it is one of the cheapest Dolby Atmos certified soundbar, and it has all the decoders for Dolby audio. As you can see, Dolby Atmos compatible with Vision and 4K pass-through is there. It has got all the Dolby certifications. Now over here we can see the price and the manufacturing. It's almost 20,000 rupees and latest manufacturing, as well as a anti-tamper or the genuine check scratch card is there. Now coming to the total wattage of the speaker, it's 120 watts. All the basic specification and the modes are written in different languages, as well as the content in the box. So I'll be going on that in the video. Now this model is available all around the world, and I've seen reviews in the US that it's a very good soundbar. Some people even have compared it with Bose soundbar, and they said it's almost as good as Bose or premium brand soundbars. So let's find out. By the way, it's somewhere like 200 US dollars, and I got it for 10,000 rupees Indian. So that comes around, I would say, $150. So for that price, I'm really happy. By the way, the soundbar is made in Hong Kong, and the company is also Hong Kong. Now the packaging is quite good. You have got good quality foam, and over here you have the user manual. I don't understand why they had to provide such a big manual. They could have provided a digital copy. I believe it has got many different languages in it. So here's the box. You have the remote and different accessories that's needed to use the soundbar, I guess. I didn't expect the remote control is extremely light. I mean, you won't be able to feel it. Good thing is they have included a high quality HDMI cable. In the specification chart, they said it's HDMI 2.1, and you have the European or the Indian style power cable. These 4 screws are for mounting the wall mount, and they have included a AAA battery as well. That's a good thing. Now, as you can see on the end of the soundbar, you have got 2 pieces of wall mount, one on the other side. Now this are very good thick quality steel, extremely sturdy. So that's a very good thing. You can easily mount it either on the wall or on the table. In terms of packaging and shipping, I would say Flipkart and Soundcore has done a very good job in sending a good packed product. The overall build and weight of the product is quite good and heavy. It's sturdy. The one negative thing I didn't like is the cloth kind of material covering the soundbar, which is prone to catching a lot of dust, and it will be difficult in the long run to clean it. Now on the top part you have 5 touch control buttons and 6 LED indicators. So these are not physical buttons, these are touch sensitive. On each end you have got this bass port with the Dolby Atmos written on it, and the 2 subwoofers are facing upwards, which the company claims provides you with the Dolby Atmos effect, reflecting sound from the roof towards you. And the 2 speakers with 2 tweeters are facing outwards. Now over here you can see a HDMI out or HDMI ARC with HDMI in, USB 3 for service only, auxiliary in for your 3.5mm jack, and a TV in with the optical input and the power supply in. You can see it's made in Hong Kong but designed in United Kingdoms. Mounting screw holes and rubberized foot pads, and some vents for, I think, the power supply is there, so that it cools down the power supply while it's running. Now I'm going to do a detailed review with sound quality comparison with my other soundbar, as well as all the different modes in the soundbar, and I'm going to post it at a later date. Now I'm just going to quick overview of this accessories and the soundbar. Now this is not going to be a review video. You can always skip ahead, and I'm going to upload the review in a couple of days. Now I'm going to take a look at the HDMI cable. Now it's not exactly written HDMI version, but it's written high speed, so I guess it should be a 2.0 or above. Now this is the power cable. And the finishing of the remote control is very good. I thought it was metal, but they have given a metal finish on a plastic remote, and it's very light. The button quality feels good. By the way, this is not a Bluetooth remote. It has got infrared LED on it, so I'm going to take a look at the user manuals and all the documents given. I won't be using this, so those who want to wall mount, they can easily do it. I don't think nowadays you would need such a big user manual in different languages, but anyway, company provided it. Now coming to the basic specification, it's 60 plus 60 watts. 60 watts for the speaker and 60 watts for the subwoofer, total 120 watts. Now hardware wise, it can decode all the Dolby Digital, Dolby Digital Plus, Dolby TrueHD, as well as Dolby Atmos, so that's a good thing. Some instruction not to block the infrared sensor, and this is the safety manual, what and what not to do. A good thing, I've never seen big companies even provide such things, but they have provided a wall mount. And some review guidelines and contact numbers. If you have a problem, you can contact them or leave a review on our website. So I'll be doing a review, detailed review of this, and getting back to you guys real soon. Hope you like my video. Give me a like, a thumbs up.